Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. This is a diamond shape. A diamond has four sides. The diamond is a shape. I see a diamond here. Do you know this shape? It looks like a diamond. The diamond shape is beautiful. We learn about diamond shapes. This diamond is red. That diamond is blue. I can draw a diamond. Can you draw a diamond? She draws a diamond shape. He sees the diamond shape. The diamond has four corners. I count four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. The sides are the same. A diamond is not a circle. It is not a square. The diamond shape is special. I like this shape very much. Do you like diamond shapes? We see diamonds every day. Oh, look at this diamond pattern. The pattern has many diamonds. I see diamonds on the wall. There are diamonds on the floor. The tiles are diamond-shaped. My shirt has diamond shapes. Her dress has small diamonds. His tie shows diamond patterns. We wear clothes with diamonds. The kite is a diamond. I fly my diamond kite. The kite is in the sky. It flies very high today. Do you have a kite? My kite is yellow and green. The diamond kite is pretty. Children love flying kites outside. We go to the park. The park is very big. Many kites are in the sky. I see 5 diamond kites. One kite is very large. That kite is red and white. The wind is strong today. The kites fly high up. Flying kites is fun for everyone. I play cards with my friends. Playing cards is a fun game. The cards have 4 different suits. One suit is called diamonds. The diamond suit is red-colored. I have 3 diamond cards now. She has the ace of diamonds. He plays the king of diamonds. We play cards every Friday night. Do you like playing card games? This game is easy to learn. The diamonds on cards are small. I see the diamond symbol clearly. The queen of diamonds is here. That card shows 10 red diamonds. Baseball fields are diamond-shaped too. The baseball diamond has 4 bases. Players run around the diamond quickly. First base is on the right. Second base is straight ahead far. Third base is on the left. Home plate is where you start. The pitcher stands in the middle. I love watching baseball games often. My brother plays baseball every Saturday. His team practices on the diamond. The diamond shape helps the game. Do you play baseball with friends? We go to games in summer. The stadium has a big diamond. I can draw diamonds very easily. First, I draw one straight line. Then I draw another line crossing. The lines make an X shape. Now I connect all 4 points. The diamond shape is complete now. I color my diamond shape yellow. She colors her diamond purple today. He uses many different bright colors. We make diamond art in class. The art teacher shows us how. Drawing diamonds is not very hard. You can draw diamonds at home. Children enjoy drawing shapes like this. I draw 10 diamonds on paper. My paper has many colorful diamonds. The diamonds make a beautiful picture. I will show it to Mom. She will like my diamond art. Mom puts my artwork on the refrigerator. Road signs sometimes have diamond shapes on them. The yellow sign is shaped like a diamond. I see the diamond warning sign ahead. Diamond signs tell drivers to be very careful. The sign says there is a curve. Another sign shows a school crossing zone. These diamond signs are important for safety. Drivers must slow down when they see them. My father always watches for diamond road signs. Do you notice the signs when driving? The diamond shape makes signs easy to see. I count 5 diamond signs on this road. We learn about road signs in school today. The teacher explains what each sign means clearly. Yellow diamonds mean you should pay close attention. Jewelry stores sell rings with real diamonds on them. A diamond ring is very expensive to buy. My mother has a diamond ring from father. The diamond on her ring is very small. It shines beautifully in the bright sunlight outside. Real diamonds are found deep under the ground. People dig very deep to find these diamonds. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. A diamond can cut through almost anything strong. I saw real diamonds at the museum yesterday. The diamonds were protected behind thick glass windows. Some diamonds are white and some are blue. Pink diamonds are the most rare and valuable. Would you like to own a real diamond? Diamonds cost a lot of money to purchase. The checkerboard pattern uses many diamond shapes together. If you turn a square, it becomes diamond. I can see diamonds in the fence design. The metal fence has a diamond wire pattern. This pattern is very strong and doesn't break. We use diamond fencing around our garden area. The diamonds in the fence are all same. I can put my fingers through diamond holes. The dog cannot get through the small diamonds. Chain link fences make perfect diamond shapes always. I see this kind of fence everywhere now. Schools have diamond fences around the playground for safety. The baseball field has a tall diamond fence. Fences keep children safe while they are playing. Do you have a fence at your house? Quilts and blankets often have diamond patterns sewn in. My grandmother made a quilt with many diamonds. Each diamond on the quilt is a different color. She sewed all the diamond pieces together very carefully. The quilt has more than 100 diamonds. I sleep under my grandmother's diamond quilt every night. The quilt keeps me warm during cold winter weather. I count the diamonds before I fall asleep. Red diamonds, blue diamonds, green diamonds, and yellow diamonds. Making a diamond quilt takes many hours of work. Would you like to make a diamond quilt? You need fabric, scissors, needle, and thread for sewing. First, you cut the fabric into diamond shapes. Then you sew all the diamonds together in rows. It is relaxing to work on quilts at home. In mathematics class, we study diamond shapes and angles. A diamond is also called a rhombus shape. All 4 sides of a diamond are equal length. The opposite angles in a diamond are the same. We measure the sides with a ruler in class. My diamond has sides that are 5 centimeters long. I use a protractor to measure the diamond angles. The teacher draws a large diamond on the board. She asks us to copy the diamond carefully. We practice drawing diamonds in our math notebooks daily. Geometry includes learning about many different shapes, including diamonds. Diamonds are special types of 4-sided polygon shapes. I will remember what I learned about diamonds today. Tomorrow, we will learn about triangles and their properties. Argyle patterns use many small diamonds arranged in rows. Argyle socks have colorful diamond patterns on them always. My brother wears Argyle socks to school every day. The diamonds on his socks are green and gray. Argyle sweaters are popular in fall and winter seasons. I have an Argyle vest that I wear sometimes. The vest has red, blue, and white diamonds together. Argyle patterns come from Scotland many years ago historically. People still love wearing Argyle clothes even today now. Do you have any Argyle clothing in your closet? Diamonds appear in art, nature, design, and mathematics everywhere. I notice diamond shapes all around me every single day. Once you learn about diamonds, you see them constantly. Windows sometimes have small diamond-shaped glass panes in them. Old houses often have beautiful diamond pattern windows installed. I took a photograph of a diamond window today. The diamond shape is simple but also very elegant. Artists use diamond shapes to make interesting visual designs. We completed our lesson about the diamond shape successfully. Now I know many things about diamonds and patterns. I can recognize diamond shapes wherever I go outside. Can you find diamond shapes in your room now? Look around and count how many diamonds you see. Diamond shapes are more common than you might think. Thank you for learning about diamond shapes with me. I hope you enjoyed this English lesson very much. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.